Next, we'll be inserting our start button and a quit button at the bottom of our slide. Before we do that, we need to make these text boxes smaller so that because we need the space. Now that we have made our text boxes smaller, this time I'm going to insert a shape. I'm going to use a shape to make my start button. So I go to insert, select shape. I'll be using the oval shape here. So I will draw my oval shape. Now I'll be filling the color, change the color. And what I'll be using is the eyedropper option so I can select a color from my presentation. So I'll be using this color here. Don't like that color there, so I'll be using another color. So I'll be using this one. Now to add text to the shape, we need to right click, go to edit text, then we can type what we want in the box. So I'll be putting start there. I'll be changing the font color to black. So I'll go to home, select this A here, and then I select black. Now I need to make this have a button look. So I will go to shape effect and I'll select bevel, and from bevel I'll select this option here so it rises from the page. Now I'm going to make the text inside the box bigger. So I select the text, go to home, select what size I want, and I'm going to make it 20, and I'm going to change the font style. So I'm going to use this one here. And now I need to ensure that this is in the center of the page, so I can go to format and then I can align it center. Now so it is centered. I will now hyperlink this button that I have inserted to the next slide. So to hyperlink this, you click on the shape, then you go to insert, or you could right click, then you go to hyperlink. Then I want to hyperlink it to a place in this document, so I select the option that's in this document, and I want to hyperlink it to next slide. So I press next slide, then OK. Next, I will be inserting a quit button. Now I will be using a picture at this time instead of using a shape. So I use the picture that I had inserted. Now I have my quit button here. So I'll put in a resize and make the size look the same, so that means that they can quit when they're ready. Now I need to hyperlink it to the last slide that I would be putting in. So I'll be inserting my quit button, hyperlinking it to the last slide. So I'll press OK. Now I have inserted my start button, created my start button and my quit button, and they have been hyperlinked.